Welcome to Trance Tan Dance, the channel for well-being in all its forms and shapes and colors, and for people who love life and nature. Today is almost Christmas, and I want to speak to you about a special phenomenon that is commonly called Christmas star. But it's simply an alignment of two planets who shine particularly bright, and this happens quite rarely in the history of mankind, and this year is a special one. And I thought we could use this as an opportunity for a very special meditation, a meditation that can carry you far away for a very long time on your path to self-knowledge and self-development. Right, so we're at the time of winter solstice. That is the time when, in most traditions, men and animals and life, generally nature, becomes more and more into the dark, and the life forces retreat into the earth. And that is the time when we as humans can try and foster the light within. Christianity calls it the light of Christ. But many different traditions call it different types of light. It doesn't matter what religion you are or if you have none. You can still do this meditation. And you can do it in two different ways. One is on the night of the solstice. You can watch those two stars that are going to align, and you can watch that light and let yourself penetrate from that light in the darkness of the night. But you can also do it right now after this video or any time throughout your life. All you need to do is lie down or kneel or sit or squat, it doesn't matter. Just be comfortable and imagine that you are bathed in the darkness. But in that darkness there is one point of light. And you can feel this one, or you can imagine this one, in any part of your body. You can, for example, imagine that it starts from your heart and that this light rays out from your heart. Or you can imagine that it comes from your third eye, the sixth chakra, and that it rays out. Or you can imagine that is in your third chakra, that is the sun within, and that it rays out. Or you can imagine that it's in your second chakra and that you are pregnant of a baby maybe, but pregnant of your own creativity. And you can let it travel, or you can let it be, whatever comes to your meditation at that point when you do it. So you see, there's enough there with this very small principle, this very small idea of sitting in quietness, entering your own darkness within, feeling, imagining, being that light that you are or that you have within yourself, in different places or in one place, whatever comes in at that point in time. See, that can carry you for years and years and years of your meditation path. But if you want more, on this channel you will find lots of chakra yoga classes. You will find a video on equinox meditation, that is the other part of the seasons when the hours are the same, 12 hours of night, 12 hours of day. You can find lots and lots more. And so, just before you do this light meditation, Christmas star meditation, just before you do it, I suggest that you may show your appreciation by liking the video and by commenting, or that you share it with someone you think might be interested in this sort of content. And now I wish you a very, very Merry Christmas wherever you are in the world, and I wish you a long path with the light meditation. Bye-bye.